Hi guys, today I'm going to show you about the washing machine. This is my washing machine. It's a HOTPOINT, and whenever I switch it on, the fuse strips off. It strips, and then the whole electricity is cut off. So today we're going to be looking into the common problems. Normally this problem is due to a short circuit. So somewhere is a short circuit, and there are few common problems. One could be the motor, that could be short circuit, or the heating rod, or somewhere is a water leakage and that's drips on the cables and it short circuit. So somewhere is a wet cables, but we're gonna find out that soon. Before that, you need to make sure, well, I'm not a professional washing machine repairer, but I do have a basic knowledge of electronics and electrical stuff. So make sure you switch off the washing machine from the main powers, as well as today then what we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure we cut the water as well. That's the water wall. I'm gonna make it off. So we're gonna be removing this, because when I pull this machine out, this cable will gonna pull as well as this is the wastewater. So there's a long pipe, you can see. So these two pipes I'm gonna be disconnected from here first, and when I pull up the machine, so these are gonna be pulled after the machine as well. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. Let me pull the machine, and then I will carry on the video. Yes, so as guys you can see, I have disconnected the water cable, and well, it's supposed to be in cold water, but I put it on hot water. And also I have disconnected the waste water, so you can see here. So make sure you don't make a mess. And now we're going to pull the machine out. Okay, now you can see I pulled the machine out, and just to make sure it's properly disconnected, so I'm going to disconnect from here. And now all we need to open this back side, and then we're going to see what's the problem is. Just to show you, these are the basic tools you may need. I think almost everyone's house should hold these kind of tools, as well as we're gonna need this multimeter as well. So we're gonna be testing. So basically here, this is Phillips normal plier, nose plier, flat screwdriver, a tester. So we're going to be testing with these. Alright, now I have opened the back of the machine. So just to show you, this is the motor. You can see this is the motor, and this is the heating rod. So and there is this machine has another dryer as well. So that is somewhere here. Well, let's check this first. So where is the problem? So the most common problem is the heating. So this is the heating, and we're going to be checking this. We're going to be checking this. So this green one is positive, this is negative, and this is a ground. So let's have a look where the problem is. I have this meter with me, and is only ohm. So normally it's for so you can see it's ohm. And when I touch these two, it shows us, yep, there is a connection between these two. So now I'm going to be checking these two. Okay, and you can see now difficult for me to make a video as well as do that, but I'm going to show you. Yeah, you can see I've touched these two. Yeah, but the best way is you have to disconnect them first. Yeah, all of three, and this is the earth, or this one is the earth or ground, so you need to pull that out as well. So now we're going to be looking, so that's the only way to check that this heating rod is short circuit or not. So you can see now here, I'm going to be touching you can see I have touched now the earth or ground and positive, and it shows me that there is a connection. So it means this heating rod has a problem and it's short circuit. Yeah, I'll show you with this. Again, yeah, you see that's a negative, the negative and the earth, and it shows there is a connection between these two. And now I'll show you the positive and the negative and the ground. See, so this means, and also the body of the heating rod is the same thing. And you see now, just I'm doing the body. Yeah, it means the heating rod has a short circuit. So now what we need to do, we need to pull this out and replace with a new one. So all you need to do basically, yeah, just remove, yeah, this is the thermostat. Yeah, if it is not, but when we unscrew this, there is a one screw. Yeah, and we need to take out the whole rod. This is the heating rod element or heating element, and then this is the thermostat. So let me pull this out. It is a bit hard, but you need to take this out. Yep, so now when you unscrew this nut, so this thermostat pulls out. You can see this is the thermostat, so that's fine. So now we need to just, you see, you need to just pull this, the whole rod out. Yes, so I have just pulled out a bit of the heating rod. Yeah, but it's a bit hard, so you may need to do a screwdriver from this here. This is the rubber seal, and you need to put a bit of pressure on. Yeah, so now I have pulled this off, and that's the heating rod. And this is the heating rod. Now I'll show you. This has the problem. So now do a check on the multimeter. If you touch the earth, the ground, and you see, it shouldn't show connection. can see now I'm touching. Yeah, or it's very hard to make a video as well as doing the testing as well. You can see. Yep, so now I bought a new one from Amazon. It cost me about £13. So I'm gonna show you that as well. Yeah, which is this one. Yeah, you can buy up to £30, £40. It depends. But this one is about, I think, 13 or 14 or 15 pounds. Yeah, so well, there is also a cheap version, but I would suggest do not buy the very cheap. So now I'll show you on the meter. So you see that's the positive and the negative normal, and so you can see it is not a short circuit. You can see there's a negative and ground. It doesn't show, but with a normal positive negative is fine. So now we're gonna fit this one in the machine, and then we're gonna test after that. Alright, so now I have fixed the heating rod by putting back in the same place, as well as I tied this nut, so it's tight now. It's firm, and it shouldn't be leaking from here. So I'm gonna do the connection. This is brown goes to green, blue goes to the white, which is negative, and then I have, this is earth, yeah, but, and this is the thermostat. It goes back here. Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. Alright guys, so I have now fixed so I have fixed all the cables. So this one is positive goes to the positive, that's negative, that's earth, and this is the thermostat. Now we're going to check out the machine. As you can see, my fuse is not tripped. Everything is working now. Yeah, the machine is spinning. Yeah, all the parts back, and that's it. So we're done for today. Yeah, my name is Mohammed, and I'll be uploading some more videos. If you like the video, please thumbs up, and see you in another video. Thanks, bye.